Hey everybody, this is Charles Rather again. Today I wanted to have a short little video about what types of employees are allowed for immigration purposes when preparing an L1 or an EB1C. As you can imagine, in a lot of industries, it's very common to have subcontractors, for example, and clients often ask, hey, can I use my freelancers, my subcontractors as part of the personnel for my US company? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You can certainly hire subcontractors if you're planning to file a L1 or EB1C, or maybe you've already filed that. You're welcome to have as many of those as you'd like. But just for purposes of getting the visa or getting it renewed, generally the Immigration Service is not going to count those employees. They want to count full-time, what we call W-2 employees. Those are employed on a W-2, that's a tax form under the IRS code, who are working 35 hours or more. If you have freelancers or independent contractors, the problem with that is there's nothing really keeping them from working somewhere else. I mean, they might work for you for 2 days this week, and then later this week they're going to work for another company, and then next week they might work for another. And so that kind of mobility is not acceptable for the Immigration Service, and that's why they want to have full-time W-2 employees, as we call them. So that's probably the most important point I wanted to emphasize in this video about the employees. As to their status of these employees, it really doesn't matter. They can be citizens, they can be green card holders, they can be applicants for asylum, as long as they have permission, legal permission to work in the US and have a social security number, then they're totally fair game. You can hire any of those kind of people as employees in your company. You should check out our other videos as well, where we talk about the hierarchy and structure and type of duties employees need to perform to qualify for an L1, EB1C. It's not as easy as just hiring 6 or 10 employees and they all do the same thing. You need to have some mid-level managers who manage other people, et cetera, et cetera. So to get those details, check out our other videos on our channel, or if you're ready for a personalized consultation, feel free to reach out to us so that we can give you individualized attention and develop an immigration strategy that works for you and your family.